Welcome back, viewers. Here I am using two thermocol pieces. Its width is 2 centimeters and the length is about 30 centimeters. You can take any size as you wish. Then we will use ice cream sticks or popsicle sticks. Now let's arrange them at a distance of 2 centimeters apart, okay? Now once the arrangement is finished, you can use Fevicol to stick them. So here the ladder is ready. Then for the painting part, let's use the dark navy blue color. You can use any color as you wish, okay? Now let's paint it completely in blue. Now for the flower pots, I am using these paper cups or tea cups. You can use any size you want. And then we have to paint it in white or cream color or as you wish, okay? Any color is beautiful. Just to give some extra touch, I am making some polka dots on it to look cute. To stick these pots, let's use double-sided tape. Now just stick these small pots with the same distance apart, okay, as I am showing in the video. Here I took some plastic flowers which are very old. You can use if you have, or you can make of your own. So here the wall decor flower pot hanger is ready. So here is the final look, guys. Please comment in the box if you like it.